I'm going to show you how I turn one dental video into 11 pieces of content in just under 10 minutes. So let's jump into my screen and squeeze every last drop of value out of your videos so it's less work for you and you can show up everywhere for your patients. Let's go. So your first step is obviously you got to choose the video you want to promote. And I recommend that it's 3 to 5 minutes long. And it's something that your patients want to hear about. It could be a deep dive into frequently asked questions you're sick of answering. It could be your story. It could be a top service. Anything you want. What to expect with dental implants. How much does Invisalign cost? The sky's the limit. So just an example of how I do it, and I'm going to use Modern Dentistry of New England as an example. So with Dr. Gaber, his first video was his brand philosophy, his core values, what makes him different. It's a great video to start with if you're not sure where to start. And so once we put this video on YouTube, here's how we broke it down into 11 different pieces of content. The first one is we took this blog and the transcript of this video and turned it into a blog post on his website. So you can see the video is here. The transcript of the video is right on this blog post. And then with content piece number 2, we took the blog post and made a newsletter. We sent this video out to his entire patient base by having a curiosity loop if it's been a while since they visited Dr. Gaber, and try to give him why they need to watch this video and draw them right back to the website. And this gives a big SEO value as well, because again, we're drawing them to the website. It gives people a chance to interact with Dr. Gaber, to create that relationship and explore his website more if it's been a while since they visited the dentist. And then with content piece number 3, we took the same video and the same blog post and turned it into a LinkedIn article. And this is a great way just to expand your market to those professionals, especially when they do have money. So it's a great way to help spread your authority on LinkedIn. So that's where we put it there. Then we needed to promote the video, right? So then we took what I call a title post with a look. If you're looking for a family dentist, come check us out, and try to pull them in to watch this main video on their website. So once we did that, the next content piece that we created is we took the main points of his main video and turned it into a carousel post. And you can see these are points from his video, and we're just repurposing it into a carousel post. Just another way for people to digest this content, and that way you don't have to recreate that content over and over again. Then we had fun with it. We took the core values that he expressed in his videos and turned it what we call a label post. We took the B-roll, the core values, and just put it together and made it fun visual for patients to see and learn more about the office and develop that relationship with the office. Then the next type of content we created was a list post. He talked about in this video on how he combats financial barriers. And so that's what we did. If you don't have dental insurance, here are ways that we can help you with that. Just another way to repurpose that content. If there is a favorite quote in that video, turn it into a graphic. And that's what we did right here. We believe that everyone deserves a radiant, confident, and healthy smile. He said that in his video, and so we turned it into a graphic. When there's a stat in your video, you can pull that out and turn it into a big, bold graphic. And that's what we did for Dr. Gaber right here as well, is he expressed a stat and we made it big and bold. You can also take that long form video, so that 3-5 minute video, and take the best snippets of it and turn it to 60 seconds. It's just another way to create a short form video and get that message across even quicker. Because people look at content at different speeds. So this is a great way just to have a long version and a short version. Content piece number 11 that we created was a trend video. So we took the B-roll from the original video, reviews from the video, and combined them together and made this fun little video with it, with using trending audio that's on social media like TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. And take a look at what it looks like. It's really cool how the reviews pop up with each other. It's a great way to just have fun and creative with it. That's it. You got 11 pieces of content through just one video. You don't need to create more. You just need to create once and repurpose smart. That's the key. And if you got one idea from this video, please hit the like button, comment below, and let me know if you want more content like this. And if you want to build an entire content strategy for the whole year, I recommend that you watch this next video that's going to appear probably to my side or over my face. And you'll hear from our CEO, Shannon. She's going to walk you through our multi-million-dollar content system. It's the same one that our clients are using, and they're becoming local celebrities in their community, and they're getting new patients. Like, seriously, they're getting stopped in the street because they're getting recognized. It's really fun to listen to. So make sure you click it right over here.